some money, you're going to fail. And it's our job to make sure you know how to act when you get money. It's our job to also make sure you know how to get money, how to budget. At your age now and at your age when you get older, when you become 100% responsible for yourself. For those of y'all, right now, bonus question. Responsible means what? Anybody was in when I gave that explanation? What does responsible mean? You what? No, that's not what I said. When you're responsible, it's just as simple. You are able to respond. So when you get 18 or whatever age you get, and you go out, you want to have your own apartment. You want your own apartment? Well, you want your own place? Right? There's apartment, house, whatever. Let's just say, I'll let you call it. What you going to have? You tell me. It's your world. Don't shake your head at me. You want to live in a cardboard box? So tell me what you want to live in.